foregoing is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 12:30 a.m. At 10:35 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms and associated outflow was located from 11 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor to 36 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, sudden wind shift with wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. These strong thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 11:10 p.m., Northerly Island around 11:40 p.m., Calumet Harbor around midnight. Mariners can expect wind gusts to 40 knots, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately and remain there until these storms pass.